So right now there's nothing inside, so that's why the operating system's not found. What we're going to do is go into the BIOS and change some settings around. So once the ThinkPad icon opens up, you want to just hit enter. Press it a few times just to make sure. And this screen pops up. Hit F1. Now you're in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just load the setup defaults first, so we're all working with the same configuration. So load the defaults, yes, right, and go up into the startup menu. Okay, and you see in UEFI legacy boot, it says both. Change that to UEFI only. And for your boot, you're going to want to boot off of the Windows 7 image first. That's the USB attached image. So you just move that one up using the plus key. So you just hit the shift and plus. Hit that up to the first. You can even move the destination disk up to the second part. And you can just hit F10. Save. Yes. You see this Windows 7, you should be familiar with this. Hit the next, install now. Accept that, next, go down to custom. Okay, so here you'll notice something a little bit different. You'll see that's the MSR, and normally you'd see like a 100 megabyte partition there. So if you see the MSR there, that means you've done it right. And we also have this other partition, and just go ahead and delete that one. Blah 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 blah. Skip, right? And now it says unallocated space. Create your partition whatever size you want. I'm just going to use the whole thing, so I'm going to hit next. And blah blah blah, do you want to proceed with the installation? Yeah. And just like that. So when it's partway through, it'll ask you to reboot, and that's when you disconnect your USB drive and just let it finish setup, and that's all there is to it. Okay, hope that was helpful. Adios.
Fuck you, bitch! And kept going.